Okay, friends. So, welcome in this section. In this section, we will talk about the comprehensive about cross-site scripting. So, in the previous section, we have learned about the no rate limit, which was very easy. So, you can start hunting on any website on any website applications because that is too easy and you don't need any prerequisites for no rate limit. But here in cross-site scripting, you just need a basic knowledge of HTML. So I would suggest if you want, you can just read the HTML text first. But although if you are not learning that those HTML, that is nothing a problem because there is some script which is already written and you can use those things. So let me start with the introduction of cross-site scripting. So it is a type of security vulnerability typically found in web applications. So in cross-site scripting, what we do, or you can say an attackers what do. So it takes one of the malicious script and insert in any of the legitimate website. If the pop-up comes out, then there is a XSS vulnerability. Correct. So, and also a cross-site scripting vulnerability may be used by attackers to bypass access control such as the same origin policy. So here as an example, I have just attached this one, that is script alert one script. So here it is error. I think there should not be a bracket. There should be a this closing tag. Correct, right? So don't misinterpret this, please. And one of the most important thing is that cross-site scripting from the last 1 decade, or you can say whenever the OS top 10 has made, it is continuously in the top 10 list of OS top 10. So this is one of the thing, and the main thing, yeah, the client side attack. So whenever you will give anywhere interview, whether you are for a SOC analyst or whether for a VAPT, or you are doing something else. So anybody can ask you about whether XSS is a client side attack or it's a server side attack, right? So keep remember that it's a client side attack. And yeah, this one is you should know that what you can do. Actually, you are a attacker, right? You are a bug bounty hunter and you are a attacker. So what you can do with these accesses? So definitely you can just send a malicious script to an unsuspecting user, right? And what will happen? It will come through a legitimate website, and once he will click, the malicious script will also you can say execute, right? And with this help you can just steal cookies, session tokens, and even the other sensitive informations which is retained by the browser, right? Or you can say use with that site. So let me tell you the three types of XSS. Generally we have three types: reflexive XSS, stored, DOM, and the last one is not in the list of you can say types of accesses, but actually it's a blind accesses, so we can't include it is in the type of accesses. So all these four I will cover one by one in the upcoming videos. That what is reflexive, definitely there is something which is going to reflect, and stored is definitely whatever the input you will go that will give, that will going to be stored, right? So we will discuss about these types of one by one, and I will show you the practical on this, lab practical on this, and also we will do the hunting. So let's understand that how actually XSS works. So keep remember here the main thing is that I'm telling you the working of XSS. I'm not telling you how to find the XSS, right? How to find the XSS, I will tell you in the next video. But this one is how XSS works. So just I'm just telling these things so that you can just understand there is some difference between that how XSS works and how to find XSS. Both are different. So this is one of the how XSS works. So let's say you are a hacker, you are an attacker, right? So this is you. And firstly, what you will do, you will send a script which is injected in a link to the victim, and victim clicks on the link and requests to legitimate website, right? So once he will click on the legitimate website, The victim's browser loads legitimate website, but here is the trick. The malicious script is also executed. So I hope you are understanding that how you have sent one of the malicious script with injecting something into that, something website link into that malicious script, and the link you provided to the victim, and victim just click on that legitimate website, right? So the it will load the legitimate website, but also the malicious script will execute. Now, what will happen once the malicious script will execute and the website will open in the browser? So what you can get from that website, you can get the session tokens, you can get the cookies, you can get the sensitive information. So this is the fourth step where I'm trying to show you that you will get these things like malicious script sends victims private data to attacker, right? So I hope this concept is very clear, and that how XSS works, that it's a very easy one. I hope there is only four steps. You can see first you have to send a link, right? And second one, where victim is going to be click on that legitimate website. The legitimate website will loads in the browser, but also the malicious script is going to be executed. Then whatever the information contains that browser, it will the malicious script directly sent to you, right? So that this attacker is you, right? I hope I'm able to make you understand, guys. We will meet in the next video, and where I will tell you that how you can find XSS in web application and how you can earn a lot of money. So bye bye, take care, guys. Till then.